To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Now open the chat where you want to schedule a message. Next, type the message you want to send later. You can schedule text messages, reminders, birthday wishes, or important updates in advance. Once your message is ready, don't tap the send button normally. Instead, press and hold the send button for a second. A small menu will then appear on your screen. From the menu, tap on Schedule Message. Now choose the exact date and time when you want the message to be delivered automatically. After selecting the time, tap the send button below. That's it. Your message will be sent automatically at the scheduled date and time, so you won't have to remember to send it manually later. You can find all your scheduled messages under the calendar icon inside the message box. If you want to delete a scheduled message, simply press and hold the message. You will then see a delete icon in the top right corner of the screen. This feature lets you send messages automatically at a chosen time, so you never miss important updates even when you're busy. So that's how you can schedule messages on Telegram Messenger.